Chantharina and welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm Rina.
And I'm Mouysing.
And we are from Korean School, Chantharina Province, Cambodia.
And today we are going to present you about the investigation of giant salvinia in Kansai Lake, Chantharina Province.
Giant salvinia is a type of aquatic plant which can affect the ecosystem greatly if it grows densely in the lake. As you can see in Kansai Lake right now, it is one of our main issues that we have to deal with due to the contributions of humans to the growth of giant salvinia.
So for our research study, we go through two stages. Firstly, we're going to locate the research area, and secondly, we will be assessing the water quality. So the purpose for this project is to find out why Kansai Lake has so many giant salvinia growing in it, and also to be a part of the solution in preventing the lake in Chantharina Province from degradation due to sewage contamination.
The history behind our investigation of giant salvinia in Kansai Lake is before 2015 the presence of giant salvinia in Kansai Lake was non-existent. But since 2015 till now, it has become noticeable that the lake has been filled with the life of giant salvinia. Our team compared the Kansai Lake with another similar lake, Leang Lake, both lakes located in Chantharina Province. We see that Leang Lake doesn't have that much giant salvinia as Kansai. So we decided to conduct research experiment to see the truth behind why Kansai Lake has so many giant salvinia growing in it.
For the life of giant salvinia, we will be focusing on 5 main things that make the giant salvinia population grow quickly and healthily. They are pH, EC, ORP, salinity, and temperature. And according to our experiment, the pH level at Kansai Lake is 5.83 and 7.49 at Leang Lake.
So next is EC.
And according to our experiment, EC level at Kansai Lake is 18.6 and 37 microsiemens per centimeter at Leang Lake.
We also look at salinity.
The salinity level at Kansai Lake is 18 ppm and 40 ppm at Leang Lake.
For temperature, giant salvinia require the right temperature to grow.
As we have tested, the temperature at Kansai Lake is 28.42 Celsius and 29.4 Celsius at Leang Lake.
So lastly, it is ORP, which is oxidation reduction potential.
For the experiment, as we know that ORP is how clean the water is, and there are so many different in both lakes, they both are clean and clear.
Giant salvinia is dangerous because if it keeps growing, it will fill up the whole surface of the water. Then sunlight wouldn't be able to get in, and it will affect the aquatic life. And you might think that it is such a small problem in our province, why would we raise it here? It is because giant salvinia not only affect our ecosystem in Chantharina Province, it is affecting everywhere in the world.
So based on our research, Weevil salvinia is used to help control the growth of giant salvinia. The Weevil salvinia is a type of insect that eats giant salvinia for food.
Despite the time and money, this method is quite beneficial. There were about 15 countries around the world have used this method and found it very effective. If you want to get rid of the giant salvinia fast, we can use a chemical called fluoridone, which can destroy giant salvinia, but it is very expensive and it has a bad impact on the environment.
In conclusion, the rich in nutrient,
the low level of salinity,
and the amount of pH level play a very important role in the growth of giant salvinia.
While ORP and temperature doesn't count, because for temperature we have fetched the water from Kansai Lake in the morning and Leang Lake in the afternoon, so it is inaccurate.
And for the ORP result, it's not really different as well. So to sum it all up, giant salvinia grow well in Kansai Lake due to the perfect amount of nutrition and condition.
This all happening because of the waste and sewer water that was dumped into Kansai Lakes that make it a fertile place for giant salvinia to survive and grow.
And thank you for your listening.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!